I'm Malik, and I'm so excited to meet you. I'm what you call a logical mathematical learner, which means I see the world through numbers and patterns. I navigate and show the world my special gifts through my love for math and problem solving. I love puzzles, putting things in order, playing hide and seek, I spy, and dealing with facts. Watch me solve this math problem. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Problem solving is so much fun. Puzzles help me see how different pieces fit together to make something beautiful. I love putting things in order. Small, medium, large, everything has its perfect place. Playing hide and seek with numbers is amazing. I can find patterns everywhere I look. I spy with my little eye. 3 triangles, 2 circles, and 4 squares. I love counting and recognizing shapes. Facts and recognition help me understand the world. Did you know that a triangle has 3 sides? There's so much more to explore in the world of math. Every day brings new discoveries and adventures. I hope you enjoyed learning about my mathematical gifts. There are so many ways to learn and grow. Thank you for joining me today. This has been a special presentation from Learning with Ms. Nancy. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning with Ms. Nancy for more fun learning adventures. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our educational fun. See you next time, friends.